While logging into your hoyovers or Facebook or Google account, if you find this connection failed, try again later. Please check your internet connection on Genshin Impact apps. Don't panic. Many Genshin Impact users keep saying that they keep getting connection failed. Try again later. Please check your internet connection on Genshin Impact apps. To solve this problem here, I'll show you for an easy way to solve this problem. So, let's get started. Now to solve this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer Option, scroll down. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your Android device, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth mobile network. Now choose your SIM card that you are using on the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Genshin Impact apps. Tap on it. Now first, turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, enable Files in Media, enable Other option. Go back. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the settings. Now clear cache. Tap OK. Now you need to restart your Android device and reopen the Genshin Impact apps for your device. Now try to log into your hoyovers account. Hopefully, after all the process, your problem will be solved. After following the process, please comment below if you still have connection failed issues for Genshin Impact on your Android. Thanks for watching.